this video in his bathroom. Charcoal face mask. It's the one that peels off and it hurts. I'm gonna be making that. So what you need, first thing first, is you need a tub. I just went and bought like a little Tupperware bowl from Walmart. It was only like $1 and you get like 2 of them for $1. And it has to be the safe, non-toxic, because you're gonna be putting this on your face. So a lot, because you're not gonna be using a lot. I'm just gonna be doing it on my nose, so I put about that much in there. So I'm just using a foundation brush that I got from e.l.f. That's pretty cheap. It's just the e.l.f. foundation brush. It shows lavender oil, and you can get that and like buy like the face masks and stuff. Like if you go to Walmart, it looks like this. If you're looking for it, you can get these near the vitamins, activated charcoal. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna be putting a few of these in there, and they look like these. What you have to do is you have to break them open. Is a bee. Okay. Oh, for once I didn't like get it all over me, only a little bit. Now what you're gonna do is you're just gonna pour that all in the glue area. Oh, and there it goes. That's what I was talking about. And just gonna maybe add about 3 because you don't want it too charcoaly. It's gonna look like this. Well, the powder fell, but it kind of looks like a McFlurry, which is okay if it goes everywhere because you're gonna be mixing it all in there. And then you're gonna add a few drops of lavender oil just to get it a smell. Then you're just gonna be mixing it. Of a nose ring, watch the nose ring, but I'm just gonna put just an even layer just on my nose right about here because that's where all my blackheads are. Now if you want, you can add another layer if it looks like you need to, but I don't think I need to that much. And this is gonna be a peel mask. Okay guys, so we're back. So now I'm gonna be taking this off. So this piece should be good. Now always go up with your stuff at an angle. Ow. Okay, so it's gonna go like this, I guess. It's off a lot better. And this is why I said don't do it by your nose ring, because it will get stuck on your nose ring and it will pull on it and it will hurt. Alright, let's try this. Ooh, I cannot get a good piece on this. Ooh, I wonder if this is still wet. Oh, there we go. It's gonna be in pieces, but when me and Derek did this, like, I think like a year ago, and I figured out how to do it, we did our whole face, and that was a bad idea because we literally ripped out like our whole skin. Okay, let's right here in the corner. Let's get a good lip right here. Okay, and let's rip this whole thing off. Hopefully it all comes off at once. Oh, and it just ripped. Okay, that piece won't matter. Oh wow, wipe all this off and I will get back to you, and I will be showing you guys what it looks like and all these pores and all the blackhead nasty stuff coming out. So all right, I'll get back to you later. There we go. Okay, there we go. Now that worked a lot better. It's kind of gonna be a little grainy, but do you see all that? Look at that. This is the piece that came from my cheek. The one that I don't really have blackheads on. Look at that. There's hairs. That is crazy. Look at that one. Look at that right there. This one came from my nose. Look at hair. It even ripped hair, I guess. Oh my god. Yuck. Look at that. That was just in my face. That is nuts. Like, because it looks like a Harry Potter. The wizard. Oh yeah, I think I'm going to show you this. Look at all those. Look how long those things are. Those are the clogged pores. That's what they look like now. That is crazy. Look at that. It literally ripped these all out of my nose. Look at the hairs on the sides. Oh my goodness. Look at all the hairs on this piece. Hold on. That's disgusting. That's all of that. All that came from my face. And this is what my face looks like after. As you can see, there's still blackheads in there, which I assume they will be, because it probably wasn't strong enough to take them out, but that's okay. But my skin actually looks a lot better right through here. So all you have to do is put some hydrating lotion and you should be good. Remember to let it sit on your face for about 15 minutes. I did about 10, just because if you do your whole face, make sure you don't get it near your hairline, your eyebrows, or if you have any like chin hairs for men or anything, because we did that about a year ago and it will literally rip your hairs out of your face, as you could see in my video before this, that it will rip hairs out. I have little cheek hairs, and up here I had little cheek hairs and they're not there no more, so I literally basically just wax. So it's basically a pore cleaner and a wax all in one. So but yeah, that was my video and I hope you enjoy it. And remember, this is a DIY face mask charcoal. Put the ingredients down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and remember to hit that subscribe button down below and comment what you think. And that was the video for today, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you have any questions or anything, comment below, and that will be all. All right, I'm out.